In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Barclays Bank account online if you're an international student. Navigating the banking system in a new country can be intimidating, but I'm here to simplify the process for you. First, you'll need to head to the Barclays mobile banking app or visit the official Barclays website. Both are user-friendly options where you'll find all the necessary steps to start the process. Once there, search for the Current Accounts section. This is where you'll find a list of various accounts, including those suitable for students. Let's talk a bit about account selection, as it's one of the most crucial steps. If you have lived in the UK for at least 3 years, you're in luck. You qualify to apply for a student additions account or other student benefit accounts with some great perks. However, if you don't meet this residency requirement, don't worry, you can still apply for a regular current account, albeit with fewer benefits, but perfectly functional for your day-to-day banking needs. Once you've selected the type of account you're eligible for, it's time to fill in your details. Here's what you'll need in hand: your full name, date of birth, and nationality. Additionally, make sure you have your UK address and contact information, including your mobile number and email address. If required, have your visa, biometric residence permit, or immigration status information ready. The next step involves uploading or submitting your identity and address documents. For proof of identity, a valid passport is often the go-to document, but equivalent forms of identification are also acceptable. When it comes to proving your residential address, utility bills or bank statements are ideal. Please note that university letters are usually not accepted as valid address proof, so it's best to avoid these. After you've gathered and uploaded all necessary documents, it's time to submit your application. If you're using the app, this step can often be quicker and more straightforward compared to the website. Double check that all your information and documents are correct and complete before hitting that submit button. Following submission, the ball is in Barclays' court. You'll need to wait for approval, which typically doesn't take too long. Once your application is accepted, Barclays will provide you with your account number and sort code. Your debit card, along with your PIN, will arrive by mail within a few working days, and there you have it, an easy-to-follow guide on opening a Barclays bank account online for international students. Soon enough, you'll be managing your finances in the UK with ease. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.